welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we getting into some maintenance. I haven't had my nails done since my birthday, but I got a little trip coming up, you know, a little trippy trip, a little solo trip coming up. So we're gonna get into some maintenance. I'm gonna go get my nails done. We're gonna be getting a wax, all of that, packing, all the vibes. So yeah, I'll pick y'all back up when we get to the nail shop.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are...
All right, y'all, so we just got done with the nails. It's giving fall, it's giving hot girl fall, period. Y'all know how I get down. So yeah, that's it for today's portion of the maintenance. So like I said, we still gotta pack. I need to get a wax. I got some orders coming in that I'm probably gonna unpack. I'm gonna unpack and show y'all what I got. And then, yeah. So, I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a little bit. Hey y'all, good morning. So it's been a few weeks. It's been a few weeks since I talked to y'all, since I got my nails done. So I had to get in where I fit in with my nail appointment. So that's why it's been a while since we've last spoken. So now we're about to pick up where we left off with the maintenance or whatever. I leave in the morning. My flight leaves at 11:45. So today, last little minute errands. I got a wax appointment at 10:30. Right now it's 9:19. Somebody get some gas and then go to my wax appointment. And then I need to pick up a curbside order from Best Buy. I needed to get a second SIM card, second SD card for this camera, and then I needed to get the SD card reader for my iPad. So because I have one, but it's just not giving what it's supposed to give, y'all. Like it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. So I needed to get the legit one because I was being cheap, got the little cheap one off Amazon or whatever. So yeah, it ain't doing it for me. So I had to get the legit Apple one. So because it just wasn't transferring my files fast enough. So yeah, so I gotta go pick that up, and then I gotta get a pedicure at some point. I still have to pack. And yeah, so I'm gonna pick y'all back up a little bit later, probably after my next appointment.
I thought we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how pretty it is. In your mouth.
So yeah, we are done with the wax. Now I need to go to Best Buy, and then yeah, so that's like self-care that I really need to I used to keep up on it, like, for real, but, you know, be busy, schedules be, you know.
The contact download is starting.
And, you know.
Some phones require...
Bro. And, you know, life be lifing. Like, I just don't be having time. But, yeah, I definitely need to get back on that. So, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Just want to check in. And, yeah, I'll pick y'all back up in a little bit. Okay, so I just couldn't help myself. I have to run in Trader Joe's. Because I'm over here, like, by Trader Joe's. So it's like, gotta run in here. So, yeah. Just gonna get a few things. Nothing too crazy. Yeah. Just go hurry. I don't like that. They have pumpkins out. They have these apple cider donuts. Definitely about to try these. Always get the mandarin orange chicken and chicken fried rice. Y'all seen that in my other videos. But I'm gonna have to eat broccoli this time because I haven't to try it. Definitely getting that. I wanted some more brown rice, but they don't have any. So that's a no on that. I owe my mama some burrito. Let me give her some of this. She only got some hash browns. They only got 4 left. I'm gonna grab one of these. Curry. Haven't seen these yet. And I may want to try these. I haven't seen these yet, but we're gonna try them. Okay. Then I've also been wanting to try this. So we're gonna try that. I've been on these real bad. Gotta get some of these.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
I'm like looking at, there's too many things
Yeah,
to look
there's
at
so
right
much
now.
to look at, yeah.
It smells so bad.
So they don't have my cinnamon roll granola. Or what else was I looking for? I don't know what else I was looking for. Well, I just got that little bit. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here, and then we're gonna go to Best Buy. So I'll pick out in a minute. All right, y'all. So we're back from my pedicure, and I still ain't got nothing packed. So we're gonna attempt to pack, get everything together. Yes, I'm only going for 3 days. Yes, I need 2 suitcases. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Okay. Yeah, so we're taking the big luggage, which we're checking. I'm taking my small luggage, which matches the big luggage. my carry-on. And then we got the large Telfeezy for my personal item. So yeah, so I just like stuffed all my stuff in here to bring it down so it'd be like in one place. So we're gonna figure all this out once it's all organized, and I'm gonna pick y'all back up at the end.
Don't keep money, these grown mans. How do we come up, they sleeping? Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back, got knees in. Bring 'em in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Way too many fall in your direction. Choices like testing, just select them. Yeah, that ass too swole and I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, but you don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back. You should be in love when your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a wreck, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you've been. All he need to know is that you're outside.
Alright y'all, so that is the end of the maintenance vlog. We got all of our maintenance together. I have a few other odds and ends, little things I need to do, but I need to do it and focus. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the travel vlog next week. And y'all will see where we're going. And yeah, so I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.